lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Have you? Oh dear. Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. How weird is it that I'm starting the vlog at nearly 6:30 in the evening? I have been doing bits and bobs like cleaning my makeup brushes. I have done one load of washing. I've sorted out my sock box, which is literally overflowing. Okay, I'll get you some more. Finish your food and then I'll get you some more juice, okay? We just had a takeaway. I had a barbecue burger, so I'm feeling a little bit better than I was before. Hey? Today has honestly been a rubbish day. It's not been like bad, it's been low and like I've just felt like I have no energy at all and I just feel like I don't want to do anything. So I've been sitting on the sofa with the kids all day, cuddling the kids. We watched a movie, watched Smallfoot. Now we went upstairs and that's when I got all that stuff done. I don't know, today honestly I've just felt like I've just had zero energy and I just can't do anything and I just feel rubbish. I thought I'd do a vlog anyway because I just want to say that it's okay to have a rubbish day because we all have them. We all have days when we're just feeling down and we just don't feel like doing anything, and yeah, it is horrible, but it is part of life. You kind of need these days to just recharge your batteries. I don't know, am I chatting rubbish? But at least I didn't go to nursery today. Yesterday, I don't know if you saw in the vlog that when we went to see the fireworks, she was crying in the car and her eyes were all puffy and she was just not feeling good. She kept rubbing her eyes and she kept feeling like there was something in them. When she went to bed, she was alright. She woke up a few times in the night, but she fell asleep straight away. And then she woke up this morning and asked her, are you feeling poorly? Her eyes looked red still. So I was like, well, do you want to go to nursery today? Because she did seem fine, but I didn't want to send her in case she didn't feel good at nursery. So I kept her at home just in case. And she said she didn't want to go because she wasn't feeling good. So yeah, that's why she didn't go to nursery. I tried to book her a doctor's appointment, couldn't get an appointment. I feel good that I've had a day where I just don't do anything, but I also feel rubbish because my house, as you can see, is in a real big mess. But I have got a few things done. That's kind of made me feel better because I know that I've done something. Do you know what I mean? These days happen quite a lot and usually I don't vlog on these days at all. Like I just don't, but because I've been vlogging every day, I kind of just didn't want to not vlog today. Now I'm going to do some cleaning, so I don't know, I might film it and you can watch that. The kids have been okay today. They've not been really naughty or anything, so that's good. But yeah, I just thought I'd come on and say that it's just been a really weird day. Okay, come on, let's get you some juice.
Just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
So the kitchen's nice and clean. The kids are crying for me, so I need to go upstairs. But look at the state of this room. I'll do that when you guys go to bed, okay? Put these lights up in Elisa's room. The room is currently looking like this. Got one of the boxes down and the teddies down, so that's why it looks like this. All of my makeup brushes are all on here drying, so hopefully they'll be dry tomorrow because the radiator is on really low. But yeah, this is what I use to wash them. This is from Primark. They have loads of different ones, so if you want one, check it out. My foundation brush died, so basically I was washing it and then you know how you like swirl it, all of the hairs were coming out. But it's my favourite foundation brush in the world. It was like the old Real Techniques foundation brush, and it was like a stippling kind of brush. But I can't find it anywhere anymore, and I don't think they do it. So that one was my last one, and it's old, so. Come on, should we get ready for bed now? Elisa, you're ready for bed, aren't you? Look at you in your pyjamas. So this tells you how much I've actually done today, because Elisa isn't even out of pyjamas yet. She's not getting out of her pyjamas until she puts her uniform on in the morning. Normally, if she's got dirty clothes, but she hasn't now. If she's got dirty clothes, I'd normally change her before she goes to bed, but because her clothes are not dirty, I'm not changing her. Now it's time to look for Issa's pyjamas. This is his pyjama, this is like his underwear pyjama drawer. So we've got vests in here, socks here, and then I've got, some football kits. Yeah, go to the toilet, baby. Have you finished? Okay, I'm coming. So we can wear these pyjamas and this vest. I thought I'd show you a little nighttime routine because there's nothing to this video really, is there? So the first thing that they do is brush their teeth even before they put the pyjamas on, because we don't like wet pyjamas, do we? Gonna brush your teeth? Elisa doesn't like the toothpaste that is for her age, so we always use this one, which is the 0 to 2 month one. I mean, the 0 to 2 year one. It works because the dentist said her teeth are perfect. Move over there. Move to the side.
I don't know what I do without you.
Show us how you brush your teeth. Good girl. How do you brush your teeth, Issa? Show me how you brush your teeth. Oh, good job. Well done. I try to brush Issa's teeth as much as I can, but of course he is a little 1-year-old who just wants to eat the toothpaste, so I don't really do his very much, which is really bad, but I do about the same as I did with Lisa, so I don't think it's too bad. When he actually starts letting me, then I actually will, but he kind of just likes to do it himself for now. Yeah. I always brush Elisa's teeth because she never really does it properly. She's still learning.
Tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So Issa's gone downstairs with his dad to get his nappy changed, but his dad's going out to football in a bit, so I've got to do both the kids together tonight, which will be fun. Grab a book, grab 2 books, and then come into Mummy's room, okay? Elisa's going to choose 2 books and then come into Mummy's room. So I don't know if you can see me right now, but Elisa's chosen this book and this book. So we're literally just going to read these books and then get her to bed.
World on fire. You set my
Elisa decided that he didn't want to go to sleep. Elisa basically gave me a cuddle and then fell asleep, so she went to bed straight away. Him, on the other hand, does not want to know, so he's just going to chill downstairs with me for a bit. It's 8:30 now, and yeah, I'm just going to tidy up this disaster of a room, and then I'm probably just going to go to bed because I am really tired as well, even though I've done nothing all day. But yeah, say hello, Isa. Waving, clever boy. Dancing. Do dancing. Dance, dance, dance. Spinning. Spinning.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing.
This is why I hate cleaning when kids are awake. Look at that. I give up. I'm gonna wait until he's asleep and then clean up because he's just not letting me do it, is he? Maybe I'm just using that as an excuse, but I am absolutely shattered, so I am gonna end the video now. I'm so sorry about the state of this video. It was so bad, wasn't it? I'm thinking that this video might prove to you that I am not happy and jolly and whatever everyone else thinks all the time. I'm just like anybody else. I have my down days and I have my up days. Usually I don't vlog on days like this because I just don't feel like it, and I just feel like being sad. But I'm gonna end the video because otherwise I'm get too emotional. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.